Hey guys, I'm Christy Wright, and welcome to our weekly coaching tip. I want to give you a tip today that's going to help you make more money without necessarily hiring people or even working more. Let's talk about how to do that. You might be one of the people that doesn't want to hire team members. If so, you're in good company. Do you know over 90% of women-owned businesses don't have team members? That's because many women don't want them. They don't want the responsibility of managing and leading and paying another person. And you know what? That's perfectly fine. But you may have bigger business goals or financial goals, so you want to find a way to make more without taking on that extra responsibility and extra cost. I hear you. I get this question all the time. There's going to be a couple different things that you can do to earn more while working the same amount of time. So let's talk about what that looks like. Number one, if the demand is there for your products and services, you can charge more. That's right, you can raise your prices. I know you're looking around going, who's gonna give me permission? There you go, I just did it. Now, you don't wanna raise your prices significantly if you don't have the demand. You might lose some customers. But if you have demand for your products and services, you can raise your prices gradually and incrementally to where you're making more per customer and working the same amount of hours. So one great option is simply to raise your prices. You're earning more money, but working the same amount of hours. Now, the second option would be to create multiple streams of income, passive income, or residual income. Here's what that looks like. That means that you are making money from multiple different places and or making money when you're not even working. Let's say, for example, you created an e-course where people sign up to take your course. Well, you create that course one time, but you sell it over and over and over again. If it's recorded, you can hit play and send that out to people. You help them and add value, and they continue to pay for it even though you're not physically teaching live. It's the same concept with books or other products. Maybe you write a book or an ebook one time, but as it sells, that's residual income coming into your business and your bank account when you're not even working. It's a great idea in business and in life to diversify your sources of income. Then you don't have all your eggs in one basket, and all of your paycheck and profit in your business isn't completely dependent upon you creating products or delivering services. Think about it this way. If you got sick one week, guess what? It's okay. You can prop your feet up, rest, and feel better, and that money is still coming in. That's why if you want to make more money while working the same amount of hours, you can raise your prices or create multiple streams of income or residual income. These are great ways to earn more while not taking on the responsibility of hiring new people. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you need more help with this on earning passive income or residual income or multiple streams of income, I want you to check out podcast episode 29 of the Business Boutique podcast with my good friend and expert in this area, Pat Flynn. Be sure to click the link below and check it out.